My name is Vishwanie. I am here to talk about the kidney. Diaphragm of the kidney. Okay, the structure of the kidney. The urinary system is the main excretory system, and it consists of the following. It consists of two kidneys which secrete urine and two ureter which convert urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder, it's collect and store the urine. The urethra, am I saying the word right? The urethra, through the urine, leave the body. Next. I don't know why it's blurry, but
okay.
that's a picture.
No, just explain, like this is kidney and...
Oh, okay. So this is the right side of the kidney, and the left side, this is the urethra. The ureter, the right ureter and the left ureter. Here is the bladder. You can't, I don't know why it's not so bright. And here is where it exits, the ureter, the urethra. The urinary system, it's play a vital part in maintaining homeostasis of water and electrolytes within the body. Expulsion of the urine, which is the waste. The kidney produces urine that contain metabolic waste product, including nitrogenous compound, which is the urea. Is that urea and the uric acid, excess iron, and some drugs. The main function of the kidney. The main function is formation of the urine. It's make the urine, maintaining water and electrolyte.
Balance.
The balance and the acid-base balance. The excrete of the waste product, the production and the secretion of erythropoietin, which is the hormone that stimulates formation of the RBC. Production and secretion of the renin, which is the enzyme to control blood pressure. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder and excreted by the process of maturation. Did I say it right?
Mm-hmm.
Continue of the previous chapter. The kidney lies on the posterior abdominal wall, one on which side of the vertebrate column, the vertebral column, behind the peritoneum and below the diaphragm. It's like right on the back here. The right side kidney is usually slightly lower than the left side due to conserved space occupied by the liver. The kidneys are a bean-shaped organ and about 11 cm long, 6 cm wide and thick, and weigh 150 grams. They are embedded, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
They are embedded in and held in position by a mass of fat. The sheet of fibrous connective tissue, the renal fascia, enclosed the kidney and the renal fat. This is a picture of the next chapter.
Kidney, picture of kidney.
The picture of the kidney.
Just explain what is it.
Okay, so here is the renal arteries. This is the renal vein. The renal pelvis is like right there. The ureter that take the urine down. Yeah. Over there is the renal cortex, the renal medulla. We're gonna get into that after. Okay, that's just another picture just for showing. Okay, the right kidney. The position of the right kidney is just below the rib cage, with one on each side of the spine. The right kidney is generally slightly lower than the left kidney to make space for the liver. Superiorly, the right adrenal gland. Anteriorly, the right lobe of the liver and the duodenum. Is that right?
Duodenum.
Duodenum. Sorry. And the hepatic flexure of the colon. And posteriorly, the diaphragm and the muscle of the posterior abdominal wall. That's a big word. And the left kidney is superior. The the right one is on the right adrenal gland, and the left one is on the left adrenal gland. And the anterior has the anteriorly spleen, stomach, pancreas, jejunum, and the splenic flexure of the colon. And the posteriorly is the diaphragm and the muscle. I'm sorry, I'm not good at this. This is for the next part we're going to be talking about, and that's the renal medulla, the renal pelvis, and the cortex. So the kidney is composed of three main sections: the renal cortex, the renal medulla, and the renal pelvis. Each kidney consists of an outer renal cortex and an inner renal medulla, and a renal pelvis. Blood is filtered in the renal cortex. The renal medulla contains the renal pyramid. How you say the word?
Pyramids.
Where the urine formation takes place. Urine passes from the renal pyramid into the renal pelvis. The renal funnel-shaped structure occupies the central cavities of each kidney, then narrow as it extends out to join the ureter. Urine drops from the renal pelvis into the ureter. The ureter. Am I saying that right? Continue with that one. The cortex is a reddish brown layer of tissue immediately below the capulus, and outside the renal pelvis. The medulla is the innermost layer, and it consists of the pale conical shape. Conical shapes and striation. Does that say right? Striation. The renal pyramid. The ileum is the concave medial border of the kidney where the renal blood and the lymph vessels and the lymph vessel, the ureter and the nerves, and where the ureter and the nerves enter. Urine forms within the kidney and pass through the renal papilla at the apex of the pyramid into the major calyx. Microscopic of the structure, the kidney contains about over 1 million functional units, the nephron, and the smaller number of collecting ducts. The collecting duct transport urine, the pyramid, into the calyces, giving the pyramids their stripes appearance. The collecting ducts are supported by connective tissue, blood vessel, nerves, and lymph vessel. Okay. Each kidney is about 3 centimeter thick, 6 centimeter wide, and 12 centimeter long. In male, the average weight thrust source of the kidney is roughly 129 gram for the right one and 137 gram for the left one. And in female, the average is 108 gram, and for the left one, and the right one is 160 gram. Maintain a healthy diet so your kidney can function properly. Eat a healthy balance, drinking enough of water, getting enough of exercise, limited your salt intake, avoiding smoking, moderating your alcohol intake. And that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.